Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about Bionano Genomics BNGO stock. We will start off by talking about a stock catalyst that just recently happened, which lifted the stock price close to 10%. Then we will discuss BNGO's support level, which I think is a good level to purchase the stock at if you missed its initial run. And then lastly, we will take a look at what analysts think of BNGO stock and why it can surge over 100% from its current price this year. Throughout this video, we will be discussing BNGO stock price predictions along with our own analysis of the stock, while also reporting on recent news events and upcoming catalysts for Bionano Genomics. Go and press the like button right now for more stock news updates, comment your price predictions down below for BNGO stock, turn on subscription notifications if you are new, and let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. But right now, you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account. And you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. BNGO stock has surged around 10% today because their CEO virtually presented at the Oppenheimer Med Tech Tools and Diagnostics Summit. If you would like to see this presentation, it has been linked on Bionano Genomics website under their events page, or you can watch it at wsw.com. If you didn't already know, Bionano Genomics is a genome analysis company that provides scientists and clinicians the tools for conducting genetic research and patient testing. Right now, BNGO stock has a support level at around $5, and if this support level ever breaks, the stock will make a large move downward. With that being said, in December the stock went from 50 cents to $5, and then after that it went to $15. So this support was from its original rally in December, and after traders sold it at the higher price, they rebought it around the $5 mark. Ideally, you would want an average price below $5 in case the support level breaks, but for a short-term hold, $5 could gain you over a 100% return on your investment this year if you are willing to swing trade it. Bionano Genomics' most recent financial report shows both good and bad news for Q1 of 2021. Firstly, BNGO posted a $9.9 million net loss, which is actually lower than last year's Q1 loss, which met analysts' expectations. The good news is that Bionano Genomics' revenues almost tripled because of its record-breaking sales of consumables and because their Sapphire system has been selling well, on top of BNGO increasing their gross profit margin by a whole 8%. Investors were very pleased with this financial report, so BNGO stock initially surged 22% after earnings, and a historic bullish analyst named Jason McCarthy reiterated his strong buy rating for BNGO stock, but at the same time he did lower his price target for the stock from $14 down to $10. I am excited to see BNGO winning over institutional buyers with their optical genome mapping system. Bionano Genomics' amazing technology has large use cases, and clearly we are seeing a market demand for genomics testing. Right now, BNGO has installed around 107 of their Sapphire systems, and they aim to have a total of 150 systems installed by the end of the year, which is a great goal to have. Bionano Genomics has loads of cash on their balance sheet, which will prevent them from closing down anytime soon, and they have cash that can buy them enough time until they start to make profits. BNGO acquired their massive amount of cash and cash equivalents that is worth around $362 million, which they got from their stock offerings while the stock was still high. BNGO currently currently has a cash burn rate around $44 million per year, so this cash could theoretically last them for over 8 years without them making any revenue or turning a single profit. Bionano Genomics will not need 8 years to become profitable because analysts project that BNGO will turn profitable sooner than 2024, and because of this, a longer-term outlook paired with the recent tech sell-off makes BNGO stock look like an enticing opportunity. Right now, Bionano Genomics stock has not attracted the attention of many analysts, but the 4 and 5 star analysts that it has attracted say that BNGO stock is a strong buy, and at BNGO's current price point, it's set to have great growth returns this year. So what are the price predictions that these analysts are estimating? The most bearish price target is $10, and the average price target is $12, while the high-end price target is $14. And most of these price targets have BNGO stock dishing out a 100% return this year for investors who can get it below $6 to $7. However, Kathy Wood of ARK Investments has not purchased any BNGO shares to include into her ARKG ETF, which is her Genomic Revolution ETF, which I find to be one of ARK's best ETFs for extreme long-term growth holders. The reason that I am surprised that ARK Invest does not buy BNGO stock is because the Mayo Clinic, Duke University, and Penn State all use BNGO's Sapphire system, which are all high-profile clients. Plus, BNGO's technology can be used to help target cancer treatments. ARK funds love to invest into the future, which is why they love Tesla stock, Square, and cryptocurrency trusts. And when it comes to their genomic holdings, they have Butterfly, Regeneron, and Teladoc, but somehow no BNGO shares. But I think even if ARK Invest did invest into BNGO stock, we would have experienced a similar stock price cycle, but now it would have been at a higher price point. I personally think that BNGO is a good stock depending on your average price, but a huge problem I see is that they need more systems and tools. They can't harp on the sales of consumables and their Sapphire system forever, so I would really like to see if they had more diversification in their technology so that they could offer more products. The chart says that BNGO stock had a small double bottom formation with a 62% retracement, which is a good sign of a recovery. So I like BNGO stock, but I would not put it into a retirement account because it's not the type of core stock to have in a portfolio of that nature. But I am happy to see that analysts agree with me on Bionano Genomics price targets and how BNGO could double your money if everything goes well. Plus, maybe as Bionano Genomics becomes more profitable and reaches profitability, they can create new types of revolutionary technology just like their Sapphire system. But what do you all think? Like this video right now for more stock news, comment your thoughts down below on Bionano Genomics, subscribe if you are new, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.